Welcome to the last tutorial on how to get started on the PlayVisit Studio platform. The last step before your users can leave their experience is to publish the tour. To do so, we must be in our PlayVisit Studio desktop page, from where we can see all the tours we have created. The first step is to publish it, which we can do simply by clicking on this button. Once it is in public mode, anyone you share it with will be able to enjoy it. Therefore, the next step is to share your experience with whomever you wish. There are two methods to do this, through a QR code or through a link. If you decide to do it using a QR code, we have to enter the edition of the game. And in the lower right part, a QR code will be automatically generated, which will be different for each tour we design. This QR code can be put physically somewhere or shared, and the users, by approaching their phone, will be able to experience the tour. The other method is through a link. We have to go to the desktop again and click this icon here. Then we can see how the link appears. We can copy the link and share it with whoever we want, or for example, we can add it to our own website or our own mobile application. At this point, we have our tour created, published, and shared. Now it's your time to create unforgettable experiences. Enter PlayVisit Studio and start creating.